Good evening, everyone. Sergio Sakar, Beltu, Jenny Channel, Bill Mix TV, Bell Mix TV, Jen TV Mix. Thank you. Lisong Suwan TV, good evening. Happy Saturday. Ma'am Jane of Lisbayan, good evening. Ay, sige Ma'am Jean. Sige. Pahinga mo muna mata mo ha, Ma'am Jean. Hindi ka pa nakapag-check. Sergio Sakar, good evening. Ay, sige Ma'am Jean. Sige, sige. Mag-play ako sa inyo ha, Sergio Sakar, Ma'am Jean. Ma'am Jean TV Mix. Bell. Mag-play ako sa inyo. Like that. Thank you, Ma'am Jean of Lisbayan. Thank you, Ma'am Jean TV Mix. Namatay nga yung isa. Yung malaki. Kasi may inilagay kong plant kanina. Siguro parang may amoy kasi na ano lang, binigay lang sa akin ng aking sister. Meron din siya kasing koi. Sayang. Hindi ko pa napaalam sa aking pinsan kasi binigay ng pinsan ko. Hindi ko pa pinaalam na namatay na, sayang. Parang na siya, malaki na siya, parang 1/4 kilo na. Dito sila lahat. Alam nila na kinukunan sila ng video. Oo, sayang. Tinapon ko na sa sa rice field. Naku, sayang talaga. Pero sige lang, kapag pumunta ako ng city, bibili ako. Bibili ako ng malaki-laki. Kasi yun meal yun. Sana siya nang mapaparami. Sayang Sayang talaga.
Yes, please. Please get me.
Okay, good. Where are you now?
Here, Myanmar.
Ma'am Jean, oblis ba yan? Sa kabila kita i-play ha. Sa laptop ko nandun sa table. Yung isa kong phone. I-play ko si Sir Jessakar. Si Jessakar, nandyan ka pa ba? Mag-iwan lang ako ng ng comment doon. Ma'am Jane of Lisbayan, thank you. Sir Jessakar, nandyan ka pa ba? Ito Sir Jessakar, oh. Yan. Mag-iwan na ako ng bakas, Ma'am Jane, ha. Sir Jessakar, oh, now playing na, ha. Ma'am Jane of Lisbayan, nandito ako sa Play All mo, sa Long Beds. Ma'am Jane TV Mix, now playing. Busbel, now playing.
天的手你在吵什么？你怕死呀？
Okay.
你一定要回家。
Wait. What is your name?
听不懂英文，听不懂英文，
No English?
听不懂。
Philippines. Philippines.
China，
China? Kahit kababayan pa lang sa binibigtang nila.
我们一定要回去中国，中国，我一定回去孩子身边，孩子，
May mga anak ka? May anak ka din?
孩子，我有4个孩子，我一定回去中国，4个孩子。
Tagal ko nang balita sa pamilya ko. Kahit kaya din. Pero sigurado ako malapitan mo yung mga yun. Sigurado ako hinahanap nila ako. Kaya ikaw magpalakas ka. Hindi ka pwedeng mamatay dito. Nahiyakap ka natin yung mga anak natin. Nahiyakap ko pa yung mga anak ko. Ubus ako siya ng pera. Agad na pagkain. Tubig. Konti lang kasi ano yung nabawasan ng pera pero mabit mo nagdala ko sa wala.
Si Johnny. Pulis na tumutugis ng scammer. At si Jacob, big time scammer. Bakit wala? Yan ang suspect natin. Nasa kanya yung pera natin. Dadali mo siya sa akin ng mga pagkakain mo. Sino nilalandi mo sa opisina? Sino? Magkatrabaho na ko yun. Sabi, paano ako maniniwala sa yung scammer agad?
Surprise!
Yan ang makuha niya yung pera niya. Hindi tayo pwede makuna. Kailangan niya pumatay. R.K. Bagatsing bilang Johnny Policarpio. J.C. De Vera bilang Jacob Rivera. Mahal ang kabayaran ng katotohanan. Sins of the Father. June 23 na, 9:30 p.m. Hindi na ang saya at inspirasyon.
Good day for a day. Good day for a day. Makadagdag yan. Head and shoulders every day. So you're up to 100% dandruff free every day. Head and shoulders.
My son works hard at class and at home. He used to suffer from pamamaligid at tusok-tusok. He's a doctor-prescribed Durobrown with 4 times B12 versus a generic B vitamins brand. Durobrown helps relieve these symptoms of nerve damage. Ask your pharmacist for Durobrown B vitamins.
Model toothpaste are made equal. The new Colgate Total is 3 times more effective at fighting bacteria, a key root cause of many preventable issues. With its new formula, 100% of people strengthen their oral health, helps prevent problems before they start. New Colgate Total, accepted by the PDA.
Tagderas, pagbubuhan nyo na sa Topic of Blanca, ang Gcash araw-araw promo. Maglangka sa mali! Crack chance sa may Gcash araw-araw. And with me, Topic of Blanca, ang Gcash araw-araw promo. Sali na!
Nangangalay, nakadahil kulang sa B vitamins. Lalo na kung may diabetes o may cholesterol. Pahilidog, panular.
Not just green, but 5 B vitamins. And hard.
Hindi na yan.
Stress na ba? Let's move on. That's what you see too. My anti-habits, that's not so switch.
Switch to relax mode with C2 and try these exciting flavors: Dalandan, peach, and the new freeze melon.
Nanood naman siya. Winashing na, kinuspis mo pa. Switch to New Royale Power Liquid. 15 minutes lang. Bilis-bilis ang kalitsya. No repas sa washing machine. 750 lang per wash ang New Royale Liquid.
Pag di tama, kinukain,
O nagkakasakit.
immunity gap na yan.
That's fun. Immunity gap.
Ang silinggas. Ulot para ang immunity.
Magsilimpas araw-araw.
Hindi na yan.
Crispy with a smoky twist. New Smoky Bell Chicken Sandwich. Try it out. 59 for solo, 79 for combo.
No one's immune to hair fall. My hair gets its daily dose of provitamin from Pantene. Formula with provitamin B5 strengthens hair and helps build hair fall immunity for 10 times less hair fall. Pantene.
Si Tinisin.
Right na nito.
Kasi Tinisin po Tins.
May right leg na nito.
Mas pali kasi.
May right leg na nito. Dahil gusto namin na bumalik kayo.
Tagderas, pagbubuhan nyo na sa Topic of Blanca, ang Gcash araw-araw promo. Maglangka sa mali. Crack chance sa may Gcash araw-araw. And with me, Topic of Blanca, ang Gcash araw-araw promo. Sali na!
Straightening, color, curling. Is damage building up in your hair? Just pause and reverse the signs of damage.
Dove Ceramide Intense Repair with Bioprotein Care that penetrates hair strands, reversing the signs of damage for up to 10 times stronger and smooth hair. Just pause, reverse, and hit play. Dove Ceramide Intense Repair.
Big day for Bobby. Lemon square cheesecake big, 40% bigger. Bobby's Bobby was so big Reuben, big wins.
Ma'am Rina Rose Vlog, good evening.
Mag-lock hairstyle tayo for the show. Dapat pa ba hair ko? Let's go with Suns Up Strong and Long with aloe vera, biotin, and castor oil. For hair that's 3 times stronger and thicker looking as it grows long. Amazing! Suns Up! Ang saya!
Play kita, Ma'am Rina, ha? Mag-iwan na ako ng baka sa'yo. Thank you so much.
Does your anti-dandruff shampoo leave your hair dry and weak? Dove Dermacare Scalp with Scalp Care Actives.
13 million in the house. Good
100%
evening.
dandruff-free and smoother hair with zero compromise. Available in hair fall recovery.
Nakulang nagbabagang balita sa oras na ito. Nagsagawa ng Maritime Cooperative Activity sa West Philippine Sea ang Pilipinas at Japan ngayong Sabado. Ilang araw nang pinagmumula ng pagtibayan ng Japan ang Reciprocal Access Agreement sa Pilipinas na nakikitang magpapalakas sa defense collaboration ng dalawang bansa. Kabilang sa mga lumahok sa aktibidad ay bagong komisyon na BRP Miguel Manvar, isang guided missile frigate na binili na nasa South Korea, at ang Japanese destroyer na si JS Takanami. Umikot ang aktibidad sa anti-surface warfare exercise na nakasentro sa pagsasanay para sirain ng mga surface vessel. Samantalang dalawang barko ng People's Liberation Army ng China na may Boeing number 569 at 161 ang lumitaw at minanmanan ang mga sasakyang pandagat sa loob ng exercise zone. Sa kapila nito, maayos namang nagtapos ang Maritime Cooperative Activity ng Pilipinas at Japan nang walang anumang hindi inaasahang insidente. At yan ang nagbabagang balita sa oras na ito. Ako po si Rafael Osama.
Siguro eh. Bay lang. Friends ka na.
Ako ani yes, Sweden team ko. Visit out niya.
Understand, sir. Sorry.
Okay, mo unsun untong. Kan injo di na chong wa igweshuki.
Yung mga trafficking sa desert.
Is not over. We have one.
What's up, man? Hey, tranquille.
Hello, Inday Nims. Good evening. Naglantaw ako. Malaala mo kaya? Oo, MMMK. Si Bella Padilla. Sa Dokaradlo, kung manapin na manood mo, Dogin Castigo. Bugtaw na guro. Nakatulog ka sa pinanood mo ay. Human trafficking. Nakatapos ka na live? Early ka nag-live, no? Kay tumod ara na da ang anak mo.
Ladies' choice. Kailangan ng hair? Kaya, just a finger comb. Thanks to Palmolive Naturals. 100% natural aloe vera extract for hair so smooth that you can just finger comb.
Rapid growth nutrients can slow down bone growth. Give him Pediasure Plus with more growth nutrients versus regular milk to support strong bones and 1.5 times faster growth in 8 weeks.
Also available for teens.
Hello, anak!
Sakto ba? Kakatapos ko lang. Walang nakakalangkas sa siguristang mommy. Advance sa lahat, pati sa ubo. Kaya Somics Advanced dapat. Magaling maglinis ng mask.
Enjoy more chicken joints moments? Try a new chicken joint perfume bears. Hey guys, I'm here with Kate and Bear.
Ba't tayo niyo kasi? Baka dadaf yan? Use Head and Shoulders. Tanggal ang dandruff that causes headache. Katigaw for good. Dahil 100% dandruff-free ka.
Conveners pagbubuang nila. Sabi ko Blanca, ang cash araw-araw promo. Mag-Blanca at sumali. For a chance to may Gcash araw-araw. Every week. 1 million pesos! Sabi ko Blanca.
With the world's best, don't miss the action of One Sports. One Sports Plus, RBTV, and Pilipinas Live.
Number 4, which it lost. But here in this game, and still, marking a huge step forward in our strategic direction. From a traditional pay TV provider,
May painal yung gabi ko daw. May painal, Vietnam, kundraan na.
part of this transformation,
Oo. Tapos hindi ko ba?
The moments between the process again, the soccer moments either. Having that super kilig yung moments, nakakatawas ko yung
Alas Pilipinas.
Does damage build up in your hair? Say no more. Dove Hyaceramide Treatment Mask with hyaluron-ceramide penetrates hair strands to reverse 10 signs of damage buildup. Stronger, smoother hair. I love it. Dove Intense Repair.
But would a Similac gain school faster energy? Similac Gain School with added gangliosides supports faster brain connections for faster learning.
Your playground? Now online. NAPA tested for 1,500 games. A secure and fast database. Meron pang pay for fun option to try all the games. Ibang swerte. Entertainment. First day taping! Oh, that's Sunsilk with activities and then the photos, vitamins, and proteins para always feel good na may pamilya kakabigil. Walang makakapigil. Sunsilk.
Super na.
Nakakawin sa inisip. Sindikato.
Ay, gusto mo pupuntahan ako sa Thailand.
Thailand.
Mas ako papauwi na ako ni Shao. Nasa ako, French. Nasa ako, hindi niya ako papauwi.
Tutuloy niyo yung ano ba? Yung online lang natin na ano, na Pilipinas, wala pa yan.
Hirap na.
Si Quinta.
Ha?
Si Quinta? Yun yung Libuela?
Ano na nyo?
Mhm.
Ganda ka?
Hindi.
Mhm.
Kahit naman hindi naman talaga ako makakaalis.
Nak pa online no? Wala ko tuwa dito na.
Libre na niya sa amin niya. Libre na sa amin. Basta mag-online din sa office. 200 na siya kung hindi siya nakabayad sa cash. Bali mga 200. Pero ang pera na mag-18 niya. May additional pag nasa 10
Nila yun, kinaduwayo nila additional nila. Tapos wala pala sila cashier. Dapat makakanto, tani siya makabakasyon na lang. Pag-ilang birthday sa tamon, making sa Europe below. Times 15, na times 15 na.
Oo, tao, yataw.
Iyan. Kanya na siya sa makasyon.
Ilan na kanya? Ilan na kanya? Hindi na nga ngayon nangutan mo at saka ilan na yan. Yan na ba yung seminary? Amo niya, nagkamot-amot kami, nagsirada kami, 500 para makapag kami, pinata ko ang interest sa 20 pesos, ang mga nasulang ang ginagamit. Hindi ko mo pinagkamot mo at saka ilan na yun.
Kailan mo ito kasi ano? Ilan na pag...
Kailan mo naman sila rescue?
Ito kailan na? Pero ano po eh.
This weekend, discover the true meaning of friends. Seven Sundays.
Sana magkakasama tayo. Mahalong magpagpunta na sa kwento. Yun lang yung gusto ko eh. Yung nakikita ko lang yung kwento.
Dapat mag-fancy tayo siya to.
My father.
Sorry kayo. Sa pag-sip. Pero sa totoo lang, pinupuno ko mga
Mega blockbusters.
Yung magic ang kamay ni Mami. Pagkahaplos, mabuti po ang puno at sunod po.
Hindi ito magic. It's Vicks Vibra with eucalyptus oil that has extended mood and methodic release body aches and headache. Excellent for the with Vicks Vibra.
Ano to? New Nescafe Creamy Whites.
Saan ito?
Kasi leveled up ang creaminess. Sarap ng Nescafe at more creaminess from Nestle Milk.
Ito na.
Ang new Nescafe Creamy Whites. Level up na.
You want great hair. And a good temperature. Place a gloss right here. Panties for good condition with provitamin and collagen. Use that and check easily for smoothness. It's not light, it's Pantene.
Shucks, oh shucks, ako'y napulat. Mayroon kasi love, help your
Good day for a date.
Good day for a day. Makadanof yan. Mag-head and shoulders every day. So you're up to 100% dandruff-free every day. Head and shoulders. Di ko pala na-try daw.
Innocent pork barbecue. Expertly grilled for that smoky, sweet, sarap na juicy lang. Kaya swabe ang agad.
Bibili na yan. Bibili na.
30 years married, how do you guys do it? Eye to eye. Paano pag lumabo ng mata dito? Iyo Executive Optical Extra Care. State-of-the-art facilities. Affordable eyewear. Stop staring. Can they even do that?
There's the one you're not talking about. Gcash araw-araw promo. Lumagkat sa mali. Transfer ng Gcash araw-araw.
Ha?
Ang naman niya.
Sign up!
Pilpilan. Kaya na gawa dito. Mayroon na. sabay.
For 100% dander-free and smoother hair with zero compromise.
Doon pa siya.
Hair fall recovery.
Cheesecake big, 40% bigger. My body was strong. Robin, big Lemon square cheesecake big.
Unexpectedly, kinilig ako ng madami.
Mom Charo had a very touching monologue. Doon talaga ako naiyak. I can't explain it. First day, baby. What we just need to do. Sunset with active region. Kulay ng oras, palagin sa proteins para always full of hair na may pamamakapaligid. Walang makakapigil. Action. Sunset with active region.
This damage buildup in your hair, say no more. Now, Hyaceramide Treatment Mask with hyaluron-ceramide penetrates hair strands to reverse 10 signs of damage buildup. Stronger, smoother hair.
I love it.
Dove Intense Repair.
Malay mo kung gusto mo magsabi ka lang. Kailangan mo rin hindi mo magsabi ka anak. Kung hindi sa akin, dahil kay Ernie lang. Tinangkat mo na siya. Alam mo, yung panahon na hindi ko namin kaya, panay ang tawag niya sa akin. Mahal tao mo. At mahal na mahal ka rin ng mga anak mo. Gustong-gusto ka na nilang makita. Gustong-gusto na nilang mayakap at mahalikan ang mama nila. Anak, papawiin mo yun. Lahat ng mahal mo sa iyo, papawiin mo yun. Tingnan mo naman yan sa pinagdaanan mo. Nandito na kami. Nandito kami sa kanila. Mas lalo pa ka maiwan.
Use Head and Shoulders and get a ladder that causes headache and become for good. 100% dandruff-free cap.
Ready to enjoy more chicken joints moments? Isa pa. Chicken joy. Try the new chicken joy protein pairs. Sigon kapag ang community. Best ever music. Mas work with Zing. Sa community, dapat sa Sigon virus. Mas bilis ka rin. Music, C++ work. Hindi na yan.
Anak, it's breakfast time. Kailangan na papasok na. Ladies' choice chicken spread. Malimit, sarap ng milk chicken at farm-fresh eggs. May omega 3 and 6. Kaya pampas na na. Ladies' choice chicken spread. Omega sila. Sila sa buong.
You want great hair.
Right here. Pantene supplement conditioner with provitamin and collagen. Use that to tan easily for smoothness. It's not much, it's Pantene.
Similac gains school faster than you. Similac gains school with added ganglia designs supports faster brain connections for faster learning.
I believe skin confidence treatment starts with what you take inside. And no one knows my skin like my Ricky. Our food works from deep within to help boost collagen and enhance skin. Join us and get that Myra skin confidence. We know, right? Straightening, color, curling. Is damage building up in your hair? Just pause and reverse the signs of damage. Dove Ceramide Intense Repair with bioprotein care that penetrates hair strands. Reverses the signs of damage for up to 10 times stronger and smooth hair. Just pause, reverse, and hit play. Dove Ceramide Intense Repair.
Tulog mo na. Ibig sa Dubai. Sa'yo?
We need some change. We need a catalyst for change. We need substitutions. Because they grow, they've been growing, plus they're growing so much on the water, it's just hopeless This is not the start, the last ones. We'll take that. Maybe 3 point we can get, but the thing is, the bus has to build on those points. Yeah, I like the substitutions here. You really need to find the right six to work here in this whole match.
Here's a change at the center position. Going around. Will be circuit. We're down by 10.
Yeah, we need a full front row. Plus needs a full front row because what final was Vietnam is a French too.
Then, try to start something like that. Before we second set.
Yeah.
Stop this one.